Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Sharma and today I'm going to read all the examples of present perfect tense sentences so that you can understand what is the difference between present simple tense, present continuous tense and present perfect tense. Present perfect tense speaks about or represents verbs which are completed but the completion time is not given and it has and have as helping verb. Raj has gone out to the market. The clock has just struck 12. We have gone for a walk. Toby has eaten all the cookies. My mother has cut a finger. I have done all my homework. I have been in Pune for 1 week. Julia has completed her degree from Delhi University. She has visited Paris 3 times. They have completed the challenging hike. He has read all the classics. The artist has created the artist has created masterpieces. We have achieved our goals. The chef has cooked a delicious meal. She has learned a new language. They have traveled the world. I have written a heartfelt letter. The rain has cleansed the earth. The scientist has made groundbreaking discoveries. He has built a magnificent castle. She has sung with passion. They have participated in charity events. I have experienced unforgettable moments. The author has published bestsellers. We have explored hidden caves. She has designed innovative technology. She has won numerous awards. The waves have caressed the shore. The athlete has achieved remarkable feats. They have discovered ancient artifacts. I have captured breathtaking photographs. He has invented groundbreaking solutions. The applause has echoed in the auditorium. The teacher has inspired generations of students. She has volunteered for noble causes. They have contributed to their community. We have celebrated joyous occasions. The snowflakes have fallen gently. The musician has composed symphonies of beauty. He has meditated in tranquility. She has conquered her fears. They have helped those in need. The thunderstorm has rumbled in the distance. The doctor has healed countless patients. We have forged lifelong friendships. He has nurtured a lush garden. Lush green garden. She has blossomed into a remarkable artist. The wind has widespread. Uh, Wind has whispered through the trees. The explorer has ventured into the unknown. They have discovered hidden treasures. I have conducted extensive research. He has inspired positive change. He has inspired positive. The river has meandered through the valley. The chef has perfected culinary delights. She has embraced diverse cultures. They have conquered challenging peaks. We have forged unbreakable bonds. The leaves have rustled in the gentle breeze. The artifact has designed iconic structures. She has sculpted intricate sculptures. She has nurtured a vibrant garden. They have created innovative art. The raindrops have refreshed the earth. The teacher has educated generations of students. We have celebrated momentous occasions. He has constructed sustainable homes. She has crafted exquisite jewelry. The thunder has echoed through the mountains. The doctor has treated patients with care. They have organized memorable events. I have explored ancient ruins. He has inspired innovative solutions. The applause has resounded in the theater. The mechanic has repaired intricate machinery. She has knit cozy blankets. They cozy blankets. They have organized. They have served adventurous waves. We have painted vivid canvases. The snowflakes have blanketed the landscape. The artist has created mesmerizing art. He has solved complex equations. She has explored distant landscape. They have dedicated their lives to service. The river has wandered through the valley. The teacher has inspired young minds. We have embarked on epic journeys. He has designed sustainable cities. She has captivated audiences with her talent. The wind has whistled through the trees. Scientists have discovered new species. They have navigated uncharted waters. I have photographed breathtaking landscapes. He has pioneered groundbreaking technology. The thunderstorm has raised the city in the night. The doctor has healed with compassion. She has written inspiring literature. They have climbed towering pop mountains. We have celebrated life's milestones. The raindrops have nourished the earth. The chef has cooked culinary delights. He has crafted intricate jewelry. She has conquered personal challenges. They have volunteered for noble causes. The applause has been heard throughout the stadium. The teacher has taught with passion. We have traveled to distant lands. He has inspired innovation. She has captured fleeting moments. The river has flowed through the valley. My sister has already made a big cake. You have grown since the last time I saw you. It hasn't drunk the water. Here I have seen that movie. We haven't received any mail since we retired. They haven't gone to the shopping center. They played the piano. No, they haven't. They haven't. I have known Michael since high school. My baby has slept all night. I have never been to Texas. They have they have bought a new car. I have studied at home for 1 hour. There has been an accident. People have not traveled to Venus. Alex has studied two foreign languages. She has learned to speak Spanish. She has gone to the library. You have not gone home. They haven't lived here for years. Where have I left my wallet? My sister has lost the key to the bathroom. He has never eaten these pizzas. The army has attacked that city 2 times. You have listened to Madonna in the concert. The scientists have split the atom. Have you ever stayed in a hotel? Why has she said that? My dogs have not eaten anything. Tom isn't at school. I think he has gone to the theater. The hens have laid plenty of eggs. They have had many cars since I can remember. I have been to London. He has entered a restaurant. How long have you lived in this city? They have stayed in the pool since 9 o'clock. Have you ever played basketball? Have you ever met Michael? The baby has broken the glass. Have you been to the place before? I have answered 20 questions so far. They have bought laptops. She has written 4 letters. We have already had our breakfast. Sansa and Cersei have known each other since they were at primary school. My mother has just finished the cake. We have asked too many questions. The banana has not turned brown yet. My father has worked in Austin for a long time. I have put the money on the table. I have put the money on that. She hasn't slept since yesterday. I have worked as an engineer for 2 years. My brother has driven a car before. They haven't phoned me. I have made you a cup of coffee. Have you seen the lion? The class has been outside for recess. She has watched his movie several times. I haven't seen Mary recently. We haven't gone to watch the new movie. My mother has just cleared this house. My son has been sick since morning. I've known Mark for 7 8 years. I have eaten lunch. Have you read this book yet? I have been to Madrid recently. I've worked here since April. I haven't bought the book yet. We have never tried to invent something new. I've never seen such an expensive house. Her behavior and attitudes have just changed a lot since you last saw her. She has recently come she has recently come. My brother haven't ever gone to Spain. He has broken his leg. I have had 5 quizzes and 6 tests so far this holiday. Have you just finished your homework? They have bought the new notebook. Have you ever been to Mexico? Nobody has ever said that to me before. I have been to China 4 times. Samuel hasn't called for 8 months. George has never traveled by train. I have seen that movie already. Have you done your homework? They have earned a lot of money thanks to your job. Football teams have scored a lot of goals this season. I have never seen a famous person. I have visited 4 of our clients recently. I have already ironed the shirts. Who have you spoken with? She has never been here. I have cleaned my room. Has the post arrived yet? He has just scored a goal. They have not played basketball. Doctors have found a cure for many diseases. Alexis has run 3 miles. Have you finished reading the newspaper yet? I have already I've already written the report. I have ever seen the lake before. I have seen the lake before. Ever seen the lake before? ठीक है. Has your brother finished decorating yet? मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया. I have completed my work. वह स्कूल जा चुका है. He has gone to school. हमने कभी पेरिस नहीं देखा. We have never seen पेरिस. तुमने अपनी होमवर्क पूरी कर ली है. Have you have finished your homework? मेरे पास एक नई किताब है. I have a new book. मैंने अपना काम ख़त्म कर लिया. I finished my work. वह किताब पढ़ चुका है. He has read the book. हमने इस फिल्म को देखा है. We have watched this movie. तुमने अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया. You have completed your homework. मैंने नया फ़ोन खरीदा. I have bought a new house. न्यू फ़ोन. वह वहाँ जा चुका है. He has gone there. हमने पहले ही खाना खा लिया. We have already eaten food. तुमने मेरे सवाल का जवाब दे दिया. You have answered my question. मैंने अपनी रिपोर्ट भेज दी है. I have sent my report. उसने अपनी गलती स्वीकार कर ली है. He has admitted his mistake. अब मैंने वह किताब पढ़ी. आई हैव रेड दैट बुक. तुमने अपनी जांच पूरी कर ली है. यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर टेस्ट्स. मैंने उसे एक संदेश भेजा. आई हैव सेंट हिम अ मैसेज. हमने उस जगह की यात्रा की है. वी हैव विजिटेड दैट प्लेस. आपने अपनी योजना बनाई है. यू हैव मेड योर प्लान. मैंने तुम्हारा पत्र प्राप्त किया है. आई हैव रिसीव्ड योर लेटर. उसने अपनी यात्रा की योजना बनाई. शी हैज़ प्लान्ड हर ट्रिप. हमने ये किताब खरीदी है. वी हैव बॉट दिस बुक. तुमने अपना बैग संभाल लिया. यू हैव हैंडल्ड योर बैग. मैंने उस समस्या का समाधान ढूंढ लिया है. आई हैव फाउंड द सॉल्यूशन टू दैट प्रॉब्लम. उसने मुझे ये जानकारी दी है. शी हैज़ गिवन मी दिस द इंफॉर्मेशन. हमने पहले ही ट्रेन पकड़ ली है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी कॉट द ट्रेन. यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर ड्यूटी. तुमने अपना कर्तव्य पूरा कर लिया है. यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर ड्यूटी. मैंने उसे अब तक कुछ नहीं बताया है. आई हैवंट टोल्ड हिम एनीथिंग येट. उसने अपना काम सही तरीके से किया है. ही हैज़ डन हिज होमवर्क प्रॉपरली. मैंने अपना काम खत्म नहीं किया है. आई हैव नॉट फिनिश्ड माई वर्क. वह किताब नहीं पढ़ चुका है. ही हैज़ नॉट रेड द बुक. हमने इस फिल्म को नहीं देखा है. वी हैव नॉट वॉच्ड दिस मूवी. तुमने अपना होमवर्क पूरा नहीं किया है. यू हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड योर होमवर्क. मैंने नया फ़ोन नहीं खरीदा है. आई हैव नॉट बॉट अ न्यू फ़ोन. वह वहाँ नहीं जा चुका है. ही हैज़ नॉट गॉन देयर. हमने पहले ही खाना नहीं खाया है. वी हैव नॉट ईटन फूड येट. तुमने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया है. यू हैव नॉट आंसर्ड माई क्वेश्चन. मैंने अपनी रिपोर्ट नहीं भेजी है. आई हैव नॉट सेंट माई रिपोर्ट. उसने अपनी गलती स्वीकार नहीं की है. ही हैज़ नॉट एडमिटेड हिज मिस्टेक. मैंने वह किताब नहीं पढ़ी है. तो आई हैव नॉट रेड दैट बुक. तुमने अपनी जांच पूरी नहीं की है. यू हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड योर टेस्ट्स. मैंने उसे एक संदेश नहीं भेजा है. आई हैव नॉट सेंट हिम अ मैसेज. हमने उस जगह की यात्रा नहीं की है. वी हैव नॉट विजिटेड दैट प्लेस. आपने अपनी योजना नहीं बनाई है. यू हैव नॉट मेड योर प्लान. मैंने तुम्हारा पत्र प्राप्त नहीं किया है. आई हैव नॉट रिसीव्ड योर लेटर. उसने अपनी यात्रा की योजना नहीं बनाई है. शी हैज़ नॉट प्लान्ड हर ट्रिप. हमने ये किताब नहीं खरीदी है. तो वी हैव नॉट बोट दिस बुक. तुमने अपना बैग नहीं संभाला है. यू हैव नॉट हैंडल्ड योर बैग. मैंने उस समस्या का समाधान नहीं ढूंढा. आई हैव नॉट फाउंड द सॉल्यूशन टू दैट प्रॉब्लम. उसने मुझे वह जानकारी नहीं दी है. शी हैज़ नॉट गिवन मी द इन्फॉर्मेशन. हमने पहले ही ट्रेन नहीं पकड़ ली है. वी हैव नॉट कॉट द ट्रेन येट. तुमने अपना कर्तव्य पूरा नहीं किया है. यू हैव नॉट डन कंप्लीटेड योर ड्यूटी. मैंने उसे अब तक कुछ नहीं बताया. आई हैव नॉट टोल्ड हिम एनीथिंग येट. उसने अपना काम सही तरीके से नहीं किया है. ही हैज़ नॉट डन हिज वर्क प्रॉपरली. क्या तुमने अपना काम ख़त्म किया है. हैव यू फिनिश्ड योर वर्क. क्या उसने किताब पढ़ ली है. ही हैज़ ही रेड द बुक. क्या हम इस फिल्म को देख चुके हैं. हैव यू वॉच्ड दिस मूवी. क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है. क्या हैव यू कंप्लीटेड योर होमवर्क. क्या मैंने फ़ोन नहीं खरीदा. क्या मैंने नया फ़ोन खरीदा है. हैव आई बॉट ए न्यू फ़ोन. क्या वह जा चुका है. हैज़ ही गॉन देयर. क्या वह वहाँ जा चुका है. हैज़ ही गॉन देयर. क्या हमने पहले ही खाना खा लिया है. हैव यू ऑलरेडी ईटन फूड. क्या तुमने मेरे सवाल का जवाब दे दिया है. हैव यू आंसर्ड माई क्वेश्चन. क्या मैंने अपनी रिपोर्ट भेज दी है. हैव आई सेंट माई रिपोर्ट. क्या उसने अपनी गलती स्वीकार कर ली है. हैज़ ही एडमिटेड हिज मिस्टेक. क्या तुमने वह किताब पढ़ी है. हैव यू रेड दैट बुक. क्या तुमने अपनी जांच पूरी कर ली है. हैव यू कंप्लीटेड योर टेस्ट.